Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you're looking for a new little friend for your fur baby, I've got just the hedgehog for you.
Introducing your pet's new favorite sidekick. I am so in love with this little hedgehog, and so is my little dog. It's great for playing fetch. It's great for interaction with him. He just loves it. I don't know if it's the feel of it, how he can grab it easily in his mouth. I'm not sure what, but he is in love with this thing. It's made out of a faux fur plush, so it's easy for him to snuggle with, to carry it around, to grab whatever he wants to do. And it has a built-in squeaker, so it adds a little bit of fun too when he's playing with it. It just bounces around so easily. He just can't get enough of this thing. Whether he's playing with it, he takes it with him when he's just hanging around, or even I caught him sleeping with it the other day. So what a great toy to help your pup get rid of all of its energy and to keep it nice and happy. You're both going to love it.
And that is my point of view.